Hi, this is Emily the Songbird. Okay, so for the vocals for both sides now, I did it in the key of G. Really the first step is finding what the right place for you to sing it is. So I used to sing it capoed on the third fret, and I brought it down a little bit, to this key of G. So it's really, finding where it's most comfortable in your range to sing. So that's important to, figure that out. And I can help you with that if you would like. You can contact me through the website. And, but for this, the accent, we have that, first of all, there's so many words in this song, right? So it's a very good kind of talking song, conversational, right? But there are also really great vowels in this song too, and the consonants. So the vowels open us, right? Bows. So if we take a nice deep breath and we sing bows and flows, bows and flows. See how both of those have those really nice open vowels? So if we take our nice diaphragmatic breath and we have that in, then we have a bows, bows and flows of angel. So angel. And then L is really a beautiful sound to hold on to, right? There are certain sounds, M's, N's, L's, that we really want to use as connecting consonants. So bows and flows of angel. And then the R is one that we want to be a little bit light on because we don't want to be a pirate. R. Bows and flows of angel hair. And then, nice place to take a breath. And ice cream, ice cream. So R for ream is a little rough. So ice, we're gonna soften on the R sound, kind of, cream is focused on the E sound. That's kind of a tricky one. So we have bows and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles, castles. So let that one float a little. Castles in the air. And again, soften on that R. Breathe and feather canyons. And then A minor everywhere. And what I would encourage you to do is, to maybe play play the video and just sing along with it, or whichever version of it, and just practice the singing separately. And then, when you're ready, put the guitar with it, because you really have to get the breathing, and the guitar blocks that diaphragm as we're singing. So really good to practice getting that breath as you're, first, so that you are strong with the vocals that way, and then put it with the guitar. And now, and you can also, if the finger picking or any of that stuff is just too tricky right now, you could just strum it once, right? Or you could tap it on your guitar. Now is a good end sound. Now they only block the sun, rain and snow. Right, that's a beautiful word. Snow on everyone. So then we can come back to that, every, really soft on the R, every, Bugs Bunny kind of everyone. And so many things I would have done, but clouds, beautiful word, clouds got in my way. Focus again on the vowels, right? And a good way to practice with the singing is just sing the vowels. It sounds super silly, but I've looked at owls from all sides. And another good thing is to practice. One of my students was saying how excited he was to practice with the intervals, right? How it goes up and down. So even with your hand, bows and flows of angel, angel hair, angel. Oh yeah, it goes up. Angel hair, right? So I'm not as used to doing that, but if you can really start to attune yourself to when it's going up and when it's going down. So when it's going up, you're going into that head voice, and when it's going down, you're going into the chest voice. So if you put all those pieces together, you're gonna have a beautiful song to sing. Hope that's helpful.